Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install Traefik on your Ubuntu 24.04 server. By the end of this video you'll have it fully up and running.
MivoCloud. Power your digital future.
Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command.
First, after the updating the system, we need to install Docker. Go ahead and use this command. By the way, you can use the promo code shown on the screen and in the description to get a 20% discount for free mouse on all virtual services on our website. Next, let's add our current user to the Docker group so we don't have to type sudo every time. Now we'll create an isolated network inside Docker named Proxy. This is how Traefik will communicate with your websites and apps. Up next, let's create a dedicated folder for our project and move into it. Inside this folder, we need to create an empty file. This file, acme, is where Traefik will securely store the sales certificates it gets from Let's Encrypt. To keep it secure, let's change the file permission using the following command. Now, using the NANO text editor, we're going to create the main static configuration file for Traefik. Pass the following code into it and make sure to change the placeholder email to your actual email address. Next, create the Docker deployment file and pass this configuration block inside. All that's left to do is spin up docker-compose. So when it's running, you can open your web browser, type in your server IP address followed by port 8080 to access the Traefik dashboard. That's it for the installation. If you found this helpful, please hit the like button so more people can find this guide. All the comments I used are in the pinned comment below. If you run into any errors or have a suggestion for the next tutorial, drop a comment and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching MivoCloud.